Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm so excited to be sitting down and chit-chatting with you guys. This is a Q&A video. I asked you guys over on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, to ask me any questions if you guys had any for me, because a lot of you guys are new to my channel and I am so beyond grateful to have you here. So thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're the real OG. I'm so excited to be answering your guys' questions. So be sure to follow me over on Instagram to engage in these kind of topics. I do stories all the time and it's seriously so much fun. All my other social medias are linked down below in case you want to check them out. But we are just going to start off with some questions. I'm seriously so excited and it's going to be such a fun video today. So the first question is, how is it to live in your own apartment? Do you like it? So in case you guys missed it, I recently just moved into my new apartment. I seriously could not be happier. It's been definitely a lot of adjustment from living with my family to living with my boyfriend on our own. And it's been a beautiful change and everything, and it's been crazy fun. I upload vlogs and everything, you guys can see it. And I think the hardest part, which isn't really the question, but the hardest part was getting into a routine because it's such a lifestyle change. Like, not only did I just move places, it's like I moved in with someone and I'm new at that. So it's been an adjustment, but I love it. My favorite part is just like the freedoms of decorating and cooking. It's been nothing but fun and we both have been enjoying it so much. So definitely love the apartment. What is one song that you can listen to your entire life and never get bored? Oh my goodness, this is such a good question. So this song is actually kind of an oldie. I was a huge fan of it about 2 years ago and it's such a vibey song. I love it. It's called Dance Monkey and I feel like it's just such a really fun, happy song to listen to, and I'm all about happy music. Do a video with your boyfriend. Okay, I will be sure to ask John to do a video with me as soon as possible. I have some really fun Vlogmas vlogs planned, but again, check out our channel if you guys want to see more videos from the two of us. Do you miss being a student? Ooh, this is a good question. I recently just graduated in the spring, and I will say again, it's like the apartment, it's such a big adjustment, but I really like not being a student. It's hard because when you're a student, you're kind of told what to do. You have expectations to meet, where when you're working for yourself especially, or just like after you graduate, it's kind of hard to find that balance and how to be disciplined with yourself. But I'm a huge believer self-discipline is so important. So it's just kind of like a give and take balance kind of thing, figuring out how to get stuff done, but also applying what you learned. Who are some YouTubers that you watch? So my favorite YouTuber right now is Brooke Mitchie and Danielle Carolyn. They're in New York. It makes me want to go to New York so badly. I just am obsessed with their vlog. Really love and enjoy their podcast. What is your favorite thing about fall? Okay, I'm gonna have to be really basic because I really have been enjoying all the leaves changing and then the fall fashion. And every year prior, I never liked noticing all the leaves changing colors, but I really have been enjoying it this year. Where is your favorite place to shop? Ooh, this is a good question. So currently, I think as I am decorating for the apartment and everything, I really have been enjoying going to IKEA, like walking through the whole store and kind of picking up little knickknacks and trinkets, along with TJ Maxx and Home Goods. But clothing-wise, definitely J. Crew is a classic. They have so many essential pieces and I love them. I just think they're such a fun place to shop. Another place that I haven't bought anything from but I really like is Francesca's. They have some really cute, unique pieces. Do you like making bracelet videos? So I know a lot of you guys have found me through my bracelet making videos and that seriously warms my heart. I love making those videos. They are a lot of work because they take so long. I end up getting anywhere from an hour to 2 hours long of footage, condense it into a 20-minute video. So it's definitely a lot of work because I'm making the bracelets, but then I have to edit it all, but so fun. They're so satisfying to watch at the end of the day, and I love it because it promotes my Etsy. How do you balance YouTube and life? I feel like YouTube is my life. I'm just kidding. But seriously, I absolutely love doing YouTube. It makes me so happy. It's something I'm so passionate about, and I think if I wasn't passionate about it, I wouldn't enjoy doing it as much. What is your dream collab? This is so funny that you ask. I have a post-it note on my computer, which you guys might notice in the background of some videos, and I have like my dream collabs. I think right now, my dream collab would have to be J. Crew. I don't know if they do collabs with influencers or not, but I feel like that would just be like so exciting if that happens. So maybe it'll happen one day. I don't know. What are you looking forward to this holiday season? Oh my goodness. I am just so excited to decorate the apartment for the holidays. I'm excited to spend time with friends and family, to make holiday cookies, to give all the gifts out. It's going to be so much fun. I'm curious what you guys are looking forward to this holiday season, so let me know in the comments down below. Are you working on any new projects? This is such a fun question because I feel like a lot of YouTubers are always like, I'm working on a new project. And honestly, I don't know if I can say that. I'm kind of resting up because I know I have 25 days of Vlogmas videos coming up in December, starting on the 1st. So definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified once I start doing daily videos in December. Other than that, I just have my Etsy going on, which you can click on. I also have my Amazon store. I recently got approved for that. Amazon influencer, I guess. I don't know if that's the right term, but basically it's like all commission based, which is really cool. And John and I are currently talking about rebooting our podcast, Call You Later. So if you guys would like that to happen, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But that's really it. It's just, again, adjusting to living in a new place, living with my boyfriend, but also keeping up what I've been doing. And I'm also like trying to get on my fitness game. With winter coming up, does the dark and cold weather ever get you down? You always seem so cheery. Oh my goodness, you guys. So it's currently 5 o'clock right now. The sun is setting. My windows are right over here and I had them open at the beginning of the video. The lighting is changing. I had to break out more lights because it doesn't light my videos up. Yes, 100%. So I'm a huge believer once it starts getting dark outside, I just turn on all of the lights. My mom's always told me that, like as a young kid, like just turn all the lights on. Like you won't really notice that big of a difference. I also do take vitamin D with my vitamins and that's been a game changer. Again, that's not for everyone, but it really works for me. I try to stay really positive about it. I'm trying not to go to bed at 6 o'clock every night. So it's just kind of one of those things, like find something to keep you busy. What used to work for me a lot is I would take spin classes in the evening. I would just go somewhere, get busy, and kind of not focus on it being dark. But yes, I'm so tired by the end of the day because I feel like it's like 10 o'clock at 6 p.m. Who inspired you to be preppy? This is so fun. I answered this in my first ever Q&A on my channel. My mom actually inspired me. She introduced me to some of the pieces and I still have one of my first preppy pieces and it makes me so happy every time I think about it. And the last question I want to answer is so cute. It's from one of you guys on Snapchat and she asked, which country are you from? So again, a lot of you guys are new to my channel. I am from the United States. I live in Ohio. So it's so cool. It's just like so crazy how YouTube is so big. So I can't thank you guys enough for following along, following my Instagram and asking me all these questions. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below because I do read and respond back to every single comment and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. You guys are seriously my best friends and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. I hope you're having a great day. Hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys back here very soon with my next video. Bye guys.